Hello and welcome to Ajayastra Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. I am Neena, and today, on the 1st of August 2024, we will discuss the recent movements in the copper and base metals markets. On Thursday, we observed an increase in the prices of copper and most other base metals. This rise was primarily driven by a softer US dollar and the anticipation of additional stimulus measures to boost demand from China, the world's largest consumer of these metals. As of 0238 GMT, 3-month copper on the London Metal Exchange edged up by 0.2%, reaching $9,239 per metric ton. Similarly, the most traded September copper contract on the Shanghai Futures Exchange rose by 1.8%, priced at 74,900 yuan, or $10,355.89 per ton. The dollar index weakened following indications from the US Federal Reserve about a possible interest rate cut in September. A weaker dollar makes dollar-priced commodities more affordable for buyers using other currencies, thereby supporting higher prices for these metals. However, it is important to note that the increase in copper prices was partially offset by rising global inventories due to increased exports from China. Investors are also optimistic about potential policy support from China. This optimism follows a private sector survey that revealed China's manufacturing activity in July contracted for the first time in 9 months. This data aligns with an official Purchasing Managers Index survey released on Wednesday, which showed manufacturing activity had dipped to a 5-month low. In other base metals trading, we saw notable movements. Aluminium on the London Metal Exchange rose by 1.2% to $2,318 per metric ton. Zinc increased by 0.8% to $2,697 per metric ton, and tin climbed by 0.3% to $30,150 per metric ton. In contrast, nickel fell by 0.5% to $16,530 per metric ton. Meanwhile, on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, aluminium surged by 1.4% to 19,260 yuan per ton. Zinc advanced by 0.9% to 22,845 yuan per ton, tin jumped by 2.6% to 250,230 yuan per ton, and nickel rose by 1.8% to 132,330 yuan per ton. These movements highlight the dynamic nature of the base metals market and the influence of global economic factors. Stay tuned to Ajayastra Money Guru for more updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.